System errors causing the Qt5SerialBus.dll crashes in Qt Framework. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair.
For professional-grade Qt5 serial bus maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Qt5 Serial Bus, the Qt5 Serial Bus module. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of CAN and Modbus communication, facilitating the industrial data link for localized software manifests.
With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component.
This issue indicates a problem within the Qt Framework installation. Reinstall the latest version of Qt Framework from the official site to restore Qt5 SerialBus.dll safely.
If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library.
A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Qt5 Serial Bus. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step.
Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss.
I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Qt5 Serial Bus. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core.
Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment.
If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for Qt5 Serial Bus. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Qt5 Serial Bus working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.